Hi, I am Advait TG, studying in SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore, in Mechatronics with Mechanical Department. I am going to present my CLT video about robotic process automation.
What is robotic process automation? Robotic process automation (RPA) is the use of software with artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to handle high volume of repetitive tasks that previously required humans to perform. Some of these tasks include inquiries, calculations, maintenance records, and
Performing transactions.
the working of RPA. The working of RPA includes four crucial phases. First one, planning phase. It involves the gathering of the processes that to be automated, identifying the test subjects and finalizing the implementation in approach. Second one, development phase. It includes the creating of automation works that flows as per the agreed plan. Third one, deployment and testing phase. It is the vital phase since it covers any unexpected coverages and a bug-free products. And the last one, support and maintenance phase. It ensures that the product is continuously updated with smooth deployment across the user base. To meet the objectives, RPA tools are used. These tools are software applications that they can figure cast and automate them. Some of the popular RPA tools in the market are UiPath, Pega, Blue Prism, WorkFusion, Redwood.
And automation anywhere.
Advantages of RPA. Robotic process automation ensures consistent error-free output, leading to reduced operational risk. This in turn improves customer satisfaction. In the area of delivery, RPA can help to decrease the handling time, and this enhance the customer experience and ensure 24/7 business with respect to cost. According to NASSCOM, the messy business reduced the cost by up to 65% through RPA. It offers a higher aeroline, driving positive returns within quarters as opposed to years. Other advantages are reduced training cost, minimum utilization of IT resources, and easier software migration. Today, many domains and industries like banking and finance, IT integration processes, human resources, insurance agencies, marketing and sales, customer relationship management are widely depends on robotic process automation. Robotic process automation service adoption shows a tremendous growth since 2016 and will continue to increase beyond 2022. According to McKinsey, research knowledge in automation could have an economic impact of $5 to $7 trillion by the year 2025. It will impact more than 230 million knowledge workers, which constitute 9% of global workforce. Any company which is Lebanese or people are performing in high volume or high transaction functions stand benefit the most of RPA adoption for boosting their capabilities and saving money and time. Misconceptions about RPA. There are several misconceptions about robotic process automation. It is not a humanoid robot. It does not have a physical form and no resemblance to humans. RPA cannot replace human or duplicate human calculative functions. It does not have any brain of itself and cannot perform logical or practical thinking as humans do. Robotic process automation makes the automation business process easily and quickly. It paves the way of digital transformation by placing automation tools at the user's to disposal. And that's all. Thank you.